Let's go, baby. Let's go, man. All day. Let's go, man. Let's go.
In Week 16, Justin Houston and the Chiefs look to strong-arm their way to a second straight AFC West title.
Let me get one. Let me get one, baby. Let's get one.
Justin Houston makes a great play. Quick snap to Cutler. Right side pick route. Goes to Jarvis Landry. Now the ball pops out. The ball pops out. They're going to say a catch.
He had it. He had it. He had it.
And the Chiefs have the football. Receiver Jarvis Landry had the first down. Derek Johnson ripped the ball out. Recovered by Marcus Peters.
Oh, we got to turn on. We need 7, though. Hey, jump ball to Kelsey.
Snap back to Alex Smith, fires for Kelsey, he pulls it in, touchdown!
Cutler back to throw, and they blow it dead.
Oh, boy. He's been doing it all game. You've been doing it all game. You've been doing it all game. No, I got a good get off. There's a difference. You jump, I get a get off. Let's quit playing with these boys, man. Let's put these boys away.
He's going to be flush from the pocket trying to get away. Now he gets free. He's coming to the near side trying to scramble. Jukes a move. And he's near a first down. He may pick it up.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, baby. We need a touchdown. I promise you can score right here that quick.
Kareem Hunt, touchdown!
Let's go, Jose!
The Chiefs have won the AFC West title, winning the division back-to-back for the first time in franchise history.